Hello friends! Today we're going to draw Kwazii. Kwazii is a daredevil cat with a mysterious pirate past. He's a very good driver. At the beginning of the video, we'll show you roughly how to draw Kwazii. Get your marker and paper ready. We will start our step-by-step tutorial momentarily. Are you ready? Let's get started.
First, let's draw its mouth. It looks like a bow tie. In the middle of the bow tie, we draw a small circle as its nose, and then add a curved line below as its smile. At the same height as the nose, let's draw its left eye. Now at the same height, let's draw a U shape for the eye patch.
The eye patch stereotype likely stems from historical accounts of sailors or pirates who may have sustained eye injuries during battles or from the harsh conditions at sea. While not all sailors or pirates wore eye patches, it became a common trope in literature and media, often used to signify toughness or a rugged lifestyle.
Well, I hope Kwazii's single eye patch is just a decoration.
Kwazii wears an eye patch because he pretends to be a pirate, like in stories. It makes him look adventurous and brave, just like how pirates are in the show Octonauts.
Alright, let's move on to draw its hat. It looks like a small boat. So first, let's draw a trapezoid. Next, add a semicircle on top of it. Now connect the hat to both sides of the cheeks with curved lines. Let's add its ears. When we move on to its right ear, note that one piece is missing. So we need to draw a notch on the outside of this triangle. While the inner triangle remains unaffected. The head is done. Now let's move on to its body. Let's start with its color. Now we're going to outline its body. It's almost like we're drawing the letter J and L. Add another L for its belly. Okay, now we move on to its legs. It's wearing a pair of blue boots. That reminds me of a story called Puss in Boots. Have you heard of it?
Puss in Boots is a story about a smart cat who wears boots and goes on big adventures with his friend, a guy named Jack. The cat helps Jack become rich and famous by tricking people and outsmarting bad guys. It's a fun story where the cat does all sorts of cool things to help his friend.
Well, I'm thinking of Kwazii's boots are probably those water boots designated specifically for activities like fishing, sailing, or working in wet environments. Next, we're going to draw its arms. Its arms are simplified in V shapes. Repeat the same on the other side. Finally, let's draw its tail.
A cat's tail is like their special tool. It helps them balance when they walk on narrow things like fences or walls, and it also shows how they're feeling. When a cat is happy, they might wag their tail gently, like a friendly wave. But if they're scared or mad, their tail might puff up like a big fluffy bush to show that they need some space. So a cat's tail is super important for them to move around and express their feelings.
Next, let's add a few more details to its collar.
We've done outlining Kwazii. Let's color him in. We also have another video drawing Captain Barnacles. Feel free to watch it. Remember to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out any new videos. Hooray! We've done drawing Kwazii. We hope you had fun drawing with us. See you next time. Bye!